So today I'm going to test whether string twist direction affects the direction that a BareShaft naturally rotates when it's shot out of a bow. So I happen to have a bow in the shop to get replacement strings, and this bow happens to have Rogue bowstrings, and part of Rogue's brand is that they twist their strings counterclockwise, which is opposite of virtually everybody else in the industry. So I'm going to shoot 3 BareShafts out of this bow, each having a line on what would be the top of the arrow when it's nocked, and we're going to see which direction these BareShafts rotate coming off of this counterclockwise twisted string. I'm going to shoot the first arrow at 6 feet. So I just want to show there's the arrow nocked with the line on the top, and that happens to be arrow number 3. I'm not shooting in any particular order. First arrow from 6 feet. Shoot another one. From 8 feet. And a third from 10 feet. So all 3 arrows, the first, second, and third arrow shot, all rotated clockwise and progressively rotated just a little bit farther from 6 feet to 8 feet to 10 feet. So I'm going to replace the bowstring, and we'll be back to shoot these arrows again with a clockwise twisted string. So before I actually installed the new string, I wanted to show a close-up of the 2 strings, showing the counterclockwise twisted Rogue string on the top and the standard clockwise twisted string on the bottom. Strings are all set up, ready to go. D-loops are tied the same way on both, and the serving is opposite of each other because the strings are twisted opposite, so the servings are also applied opposite. So we're back with the new string installed on the bow. This is a standard clockwise twisted string now. I left the cables that were on the bow. They're still twisted counterclockwise, but just to minimize the variables, I just wanted to go from a counterclockwise twisted string to a clockwise twisted string. I got the BareShafts again. Loaded up with the red line facing upward, and we'll start at 6 feet. Testing a clockwise twisted string. Back to 8 feet. and final arrow at 10 feet. Alright, so first arrow with the clockwise twisted string, BareShaft rotated about 45 degrees counterclockwise, 8 feet, probably 70 or 75 degrees counterclockwise, and almost 90 degrees counterclockwise at 10 feet. So there's the only difference between the first set of BareShafts and the second set of BareShafts was the twist direction of the string and the serving direction of the string.